had a barber cut your hair the way you didn't want it. So today we're gonna show you how to cut hair. First, what you wanna do is wash the customer's hair because you don't know if he has ukus or not. So we're gonna go wash his hair. So you turn on the faucet and you just dip his head in there. We don't have any professional towel, so we use paper towel to dry his hair. You see? So his hair is all clean now. So now we gotta just comb his hair. No. So before you start cutting the hair, you must find the length of the customer's hair. So we already found it, and Jacob said he's gonna use 8. So now let's begin cutting. Start from cutting the sides. So now we're done with the sides. Start cutting the top. Now we're done. So we just start cleaning him up. You know, use the towel, brush off all the hair. You know. Oh, here's the finished product. How do you like your hair?
Good.
So we switch to left ear, the left ear clipper. So we're gonna start cutting aside.